white. So unfortunately, you need to walk down the aisle, or not the aisle, at the center. And as you approach your wife, I would like to see you performing well on a sexy dance number. Make it more sexy, make it more intense, and at the same time, I would like you to do it in the sexiest manner as you can. Alright? This time, and when you get in front of your wife, all you need to do is kneel in front of her, and we are not allowing you to get the garter using your both hand, but instead you need to use only your lips, your teeth, while removing the garter. So what you are trying to do right now, get inside her gown, and it's time for you to find out who's gonna be the most prettiest view inside. What are the most things that you will going to bring home on your country? I know that you are very excited seeing the paradise. So are you excited? Yes, of course. Do you want to see right now? So now, you need to do it now. In 1, 2, 3, go! Sayaw! Alright, hey! 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 Alright! Alright. Doing better. Oh, my God. Oh my God! Alright! Alright! Alright, you need to get the garter now. Get inside her gown. Oh my God! Open your legs. Open it. Just like this. Open your legs like this. Did you see the garter? Oh, try it one more time. Open it wider like this, wider! Wider, alright, oh my God. Alright, you are great. You are so, oh no, what happened? Sakit mo. Dingding mo. Okay. Kailangan mo medicine? Ikaw na magpasok dito. Alright. Okay, you can use your both hands right now. Okay, you can use your hands now while removing the garter. Let's have a big round of applause for the group. Palakpakan naman natin si group. Alright. How's the experience being inside the paradise of your wife? Isn't it amazing? Isn't it fantastic experience? Isn't it the most important happening on your life? Sige na, I got lost. You got lost. You get lost. You don't use Waze or Google Map?
Wala.
Okay, you need to kneel in front of me. Kneel. You need to kneel. Kneel. Ayan. Now, you are done entering the paradise. Why don't you enter inside the Jurassic Park? Enter now. Enter the Jurassic Park. Sabi ka, ayaw. Okay naman. Pipili tayo ng guest na gagawin din yun. So, ang napili ko pong guest na gagawa ng sexy dance sa ikaw. Oo. Naunsa man ako rin. Sasayaw ka ng sexy dance, tapos ipapasok mo yung garter sa loob ko din. Okay, tutungtong mo ako dito. Alright. Now, let's have our meal. Ayan, kakain na po tayo at ang mananalangin po sa araw na to. At habang kumakain tayo, magpaparapol ako ng pera po, okay? Our message will be coming from Madam Evelyn Bendita. Ayan, si Ma'am Evelyn po. Where is Ma'am Evelyn? Prayer for the meal. Pero kakanta po muna kayo. Ayan.